Welcome to this lecture, recap of section 7. At this point, I congratulate you and I am really excited that you have the knowledge and conceptual understanding of the 8 key dimensions as well as the ways in which they can enhance your revenue. Now you are ready to formulate the strategy for your business which can potentially help you in increasing your revenue by over 50% in coming 12 months. You have made it this far and now is the time to put the learning into action. Also, I request you to complete all the assignments of this section because they are very important. Also, you should go through this section a few times since it will enhance your creativity and intuition. Now we proceed to the final section of this course so that you can formulate an optimal strategy for your business which will set your business up for enormous success. I hope that you found the information in this section interesting and valuable. Now is the time to go ahead and learn the art of strategy formulation via these 8 key dimensions, which happens to be the last section of this course. So let's go ahead.